So this is a single hot plate. It's got durable die-cast construction. Yeah, I mean, it's cooking right away. Temperature settings are with an indicator light. The iron flat cooking plate is 7.4 inches in diameter. There's a protection against overheating, and it's automatically gonna cut off as well if it gets too hot. We're gonna go and take a look and see how quickly this Techwood hot plate heats up. We have had a Cuisinart previously, a double burner, but that was 1800 divided by 2, so that really only gave us 900 per. 13 inches by 19.5 by 2.5. You can recess it, take it with you camping, fits anywhere, love it. And that wasn't good enough. So this is a Techwood hot plate that is 1500 watts, one burner. So this should heat up much faster. There's a single knob that controls the temperature. It's got a smart thermostat built in, so the light is gonna turn off when it gets to the hottest temperature and kind of remain there until it cools off. Even if it's on, it's not gonna be continually heating up. I like these handles. These are made of aluminum. Underneath you've got your 4 feet. They are about an inch and a bit off the ground. The cable is about 4 feet. And right now we turned it on and we're just burning off the plastic for about 5 minutes. And then we're gonna go and test it. Double burner you can get, it's got 2 knobs, but again, you're splitting the power into 2 different burners. Let's see here, see 1300 and 500, whereas this one has 1500, so it's much faster, hotter basically. And the feet are non-stick, as you can see. So let's go and put a pan on here and see. So we're gonna put this on. Yeah, pretty quick the way the pan heats up. We've got some chicken in here and an egg, so we're gonna just drop some of this stuff and see how quickly it just cooks up. I have a feeling that I can just basically put the egg on here and it will just cook. Of course, things cook better when there's a lid. Now we are on maximum, so it's obviously 1500 watts of power. I'm sure if I put an egg on here, it will cook pretty quick. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty instant. Yeah, I mean, it's cooking right away. Again, this is all real time. Again, it depends on how you like your eggs. I think it's ready to flip. Not really a non-stick, in my opinion. But I mean, definitely usable and quick. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, so there you have it. I don't think I need to show you any more of this. Thanks for watching. This is the Techwood hot plate ES3103.